Okay, you guys, I can't believe I scored this directly online from, yes, you've guessed it, their website. It was on this week. I honestly cannot believe I was able to score it. Here we go. You guys ready? It's so rare to find this Kelly to go online. I just got really lucky. Here it is. There's nothing like the feeling of opening up this. Oh my God, here it is. It's Epson with gold hardware. And it's the Kelly to go. Here it is. Let's get that out of the way. The back has this gold hardware. Let's open it and see what's inside for you all. It's just really stunning. I'm so excited. It was about $6,500, I believe. I'm sorry, I don't know the exact price. But it comes with this strap. Here's a look at the inside. The little clasp. Looks like it can fit 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. The whole thing is leather, obviously. It's the stamp. And here is the strap with the gold hardware. It can be dressed up or down and used as a mini bag. Oh my God. Have you ever scored anything like this on their website? I just still can't believe I did. Thank you for watching.